Damn. Like crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Emmieehx. In this video, I'm going to do this makeup look, feeling this fall weather, and yes, stay tuned. Keep on watching if you want to see this video. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna grab a cotton and the Clinique exfoliator. And just like remove all the like excess oil. I just woke up and washed my face, but it's still like oily. Alright, I added some chapstick. All that scratchy noise, by the way, is my dog. Every video, bro, is like a new fucking animal. Next, I'm going to moisturize my face with the moisturizing gel from Clinique. It's like 5 pumps. Can I live to see another day, friend or foe? Regret start hitting when it's still poking his nose. Bring it on, motherfucker, push his wig and I'm gone. So while my moisturizer is sitting on my skin, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows while the moisturizer is in my face. Ooh, girl, you need to do them brows. Let's get it, let's go. See, I rap about struggle cause I already lived in it. Rapping might seem like the only way out, but if I don't make it, don't get rich and famous, I'ma keep trapping and cut me a house. Hey, 40s with hollows, they ripping your back. Young nigga catch a cardiac attack. If rap fails, then I'm back in the trap. Bad bitches and they sit on my lap. So now that my eyebrows is done, I'm going to put the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just anything simple. I'm using the True Match Concealer in Fairlight, and I'm just going to cover my brows because sis needs to do her brows. And a bitch is lazy, but with concealer, it fixes everything. BH Cosmetics brush, just a flat one, just to like buff this shit out, cause yes. Next, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Eyes Shape Matters. So I'm gonna just mix the pink and just that. Refresh, cool. And take this inside brown. Just a tad. Not being too pretty anyways. I hit the party, I stay with the blicky. That bitch a treat, you know we gon' hit it. And Bo's on deck, and you know that we litty gang. Ay, 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 ay. Next, I'm going to take the same concealer I like use to prime. Do that. And I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to look up and down.
You have reached the voicemail box
102 boys. Hey, this what happens when you play the game. We've been at it for a while, but ain't shit changed. Talking about you give a fuck when I done switch lanes.
So taking the orange from the Modern Renaissance, and I also have an orange from the NYX palette, I'm gonna just put that in my base color, cause I'm gonna put yellow right in there.
Up, cause lately I don't give a fuck. Playing both sides of the field, get your melon cut. Love it when she give me top, but I hate it when she fussing up. I'm a boss, baby, I'm just trying to level up. Fuck all the bullshit, Cupid hit me with a full clip. Did me wrong, had to switch up to some new chick. Table turning, bridges burn, I really do.
Next, I'm going to use this yellow from, I think it's from Smashbox. Who's with the individual, and I'm going to do that. Really pack that on the inner corner. You see that?
where I added a little bit of more concealer on that. I'm gonna add this yellow to blend in with that orange. So for my actual concealer, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage in Medium Warm and Triangle.
Yeah, I'm a player in this game. Rockin' with a boss, have you drippin' in some change. Your ex nigga mad cause he ain't bout a thing. Fuck him, cause he ain't bout a thing.
Oh, I'm using the Sima 3D HD Kabuki brush, and this is how it looks. It's like, it fits perfectly.
She wanna rock with a nigga like me. Hey, what's up, baby? 102 boys. She just wanna rock with a boss nigga. Telling me she tired of taking all them losses.
Alright, after concealer, I'm just going to take the CoverGirl True Blend in Banana, and I'm just going to set my first. Set my first. Okay, I was looking for this, but my camera died. Continuing on, I'm going to set my face.
Shirt, little thick mama see me grown from the dirt. Now I'm blessed, got a stamper with a brand new bird. Yeah, authentic, no gimmick. Really turn a half of 8-ball into a full chicken. Paid in full, made double with the cut. Princess diamonds and it came with a brand new.
Actually, no. Thirsty. While that is setting, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shading Light palette, and I'm going to bronze up my face, just add some color back into this bullshit I call face. I like it really contoured, as you can tell. I'm going to use a gold liner, and you see how I cut my crease? I'm really just gonna shoo and shoo. Hopefully it turns out good. Oh, your girl is sick. So I'm going to use a thin, kind of, and just like take some of this bronzer, the gray undertone to it.
You left me standing all alone outside and it was freezing. Now everything I do, just know I do it for a reason. Mind playing games, so I'm sipping for no reason. Thinking about the time.
And I'm going to take a Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna dust everything. Wait. Look at that. Yes, girl. Yes. For blush, I'm going to be using a orangey blush. These two right here. By the way, the orange that I used on my eyes was this orange from the NYX palette, the Ultimate Edit. It was just like a colorful palette that I saw on Ulta, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta grab it. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this. Ooh, 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 right? And I'm going to just scrape onto that orange. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Falsies mascara from Maybelline. And you already just know the deal. Just put that shish up. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss and Page Boy. Okay, and that's how they look like. These are like a day old, so I'm gonna just use them. And you already know what I use. I use hair glue. I don't care what y'all be saying. I don't know if I'll go on Instagram because it should be talking my shit about, hey, so use lash glue, but like people use fake lashes on their eyes, and that's worse because you be pulling that shit out. I'm going to take the Sephora lip liner in pale beige, and I'm just going to line my lips, and I'm going to use this as lipstick because
money calling, gotta get this. All these diamonds really hitting. How you rapper never lived there. Hey, hey, took black, got lucky. Football numbers, no touchy. Knock the polo off his rugby.
setting my face, I'm going to use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray. Goddamn. And for highlights, I'm going to be using Becca Champagne Pop. Always, like, I always use that because that's my favorite highlighter, girl.
Yeah. You let me down, but I'm picking it up. Fast money came by, started stacking it up. All these dreams and nightmares, I'm still running it up. Keep the toolie tucked up, just in case they run up. I'm the youngest out of 5, but I'm the only one whipping. Niggas wasn't there when we was hopping out of rentals. Counting blues, just hit a Chevy away. Wasn't always with the gunplay, then they killed black. Hard-coded in December till my wheels turn flat. Bust 100 pack off, then we hitting.
So this is the final look for this video. It's so cute. I love it. So that was it for this look right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned to my next video. Bye.